How to find watch later playlist on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your watch later playlist on YouTube. This playlist is a great way to save videos for later, but it's not always obvious way to find it. Don't worry, I've got you covered in this full guide. First, let's quickly explain what the watch later playlist is. This is a default playlist created by YouTube where you can save videos you want to watch later. It's a great way to keep track of videos you're interested in without having to remember them. Now let's dive into how to find your watch later playlist. Launch the YouTube app on your phone. Now in the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll see the U button. Simply tap on it. Now here you can see all the playlists that you've created as like videos, classic, loop, and many more. And here you can also find watch later. Simply tap on it. And these are all the videos that you've simply put it in your watch later list. For example, to keep watch later list, simply tap on three dots and simply click on save to watch later. Now go back here, and as you can see, the video has been in our watch later playlist. And that's it. That's how you simply organize your watch later playlist. And you can also create custom playlist by simply tapping on plus icon and giving your playlist a new name and giving your playlist a visibility that is private or public, whichever you prefer. And that's it. That's how you can simply find your watch later playlist on YouTube.